Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Emma, and this is Sam. Hi, Sam. How are you doing today?
Hello, Emma. I'm doing great, thanks. So, what do we have today for our student?
Today, we have a long video with long conversations for beginner English.
That's right. We will talk about 14 different topics. You will hear more words.
Don't worry, the English is slow and easy. Listen carefully, and you can repeat after us.
Let's begin with the first topic, introducing yourself.
Okay, Sam, the first conversation is longer. They talk about names, cities, and jobs.
Jobs like teacher or student. Good for beginners.
Let's listen.
Topic 1. Introducing yourself. A new friend at a cafe.
Hello. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please, sit down.
Thank you. My name is Leo. What is your name?
I'm Mia. It's nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Mia. Where are you from?
I am from Madrid, in Spain. And you? Where are you from?
I am from Rio de Janeiro, in Brazil.
Brazil. Wow. What do you do, Leo?
I am a student. I study English. And you?
I am a teacher. I teach children.
That's interesting. Well, have a good day, Mia.
You too, Leo. Goodbye.
Topic 2. Family. Showing family photos.
Hi, Chloe. What are you doing?
Hi, Ben. I'm looking at photos of my family.
Oh, can I see?
Of course. Look, this is my mother. Her name is Sarah.
She has a nice smile.
Thank you. And this is my father. His name is John.
Is this your brother?
Yes, this is my brother, Tom. He is 20 years old.
20. He is tall. Do you have a sister?
No, I don't have a sister. It's me, my brother, and my parents.
You have a small family. It's nice.
Yes, I love my family.
Topic 3. Friends. Plans with friends. Hi, Lisa. Do you have many friends in the city?
Yes, I have two very good friends. Their names are Emma and Noah.
That's nice. What do you like to do with your friends?
On Saturdays, we often go to the park. We talk and eat ice cream.
I like ice cream. What else do you do?
Sometimes we watch movies at my house. We like comedy movies.
That sounds like fun. My friends and I like sports.
Oh, maybe we can all meet one day.
Yes, good idea.
Topic 4. School. In the English classroom.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Brown.
Please open your English books to page 10.
Excuse me, Mr. Brown. Page 10 or page 11?
Page 10, please. Thank you, Emma.
What are we learning today?
Today, we are learning new words for food. Apple, bread, milk.
I like that topic.
Good. Now, read the words on the page. Then, we have a small exercise for homework.
Okay, Mr. Brown.
Topic 5. Childhood. Childhood memories. Grandma, can you tell me a story about when you were young?
Of course, Jack. Look at this old photo. This is me when I was 5 years old.
5 years old. You were very small.
Yes, I was. I had long hair, and I had a small white dog.
What was the dog's name?
His name was Snowy. He was a good dog. We played in the garden every day.
Did you have many toys?
No, I didn't have many toys, but I was happy with my dog and my books.
I like that story, Grandma.
Topic 6. Sports. Favorite sports.
Hi, Sophia. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports very much. My favorite sport is tennis.
Tennis. I play tennis too. Do you play well?
I'm okay. I play with my sister every weekend. What about you? What sports do you like?
I really like football. I play with my friends. I am not very good, but it's fun.
Do you like to watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch football every Sunday. Do you want to play tennis with me one day?
Yes, that sounds great.
Topic 7. Likes and dislikes. Food and drink.
I really like Italian food.
Oh. What do you like? Pizza?
Yes, I love pizza and pasta. I also like coffee in the morning.
I like Italian food too, but I don't like coffee.
Really? What do you like to drink?
I like tea. I drink green tea every day. I don't like coffee because it is bitter.
I understand. More pizza for me.
Yes.
Topic 8. Books. Hobbies.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find a book?
Yes, please. I like to read storybooks.
Okay. Do you like long books or short books?
I like short books. My English is not very good.
I understand. Here is a good book. It is short and has pictures.
Oh, thank you. What is it about?
It is about a friendly monster. It is very popular.
Great! I will take this book. Thank you for your help.
Topic 9. Travel. Future plans.
Next year, I want to travel.
That's exciting. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit London and Paris.
Great cities. Why do you want to go there?
I want to see the big clock in London and the tall tower in Paris.
The Eiffel Tower. Do you want to go with your family?
Yes, I want to go with my wife and my 2 children.
I hope you have a wonderful trip.
Thank you.
Topic 10. A memorable event. A birthday party.
Hello! Welcome to my house. Hi! Happy birthday. This is for you. Oh, thank you! What is it? It's a book. I hope you like it. I love books. Thank you so much. Please, come in. There is food and drink on the table. Thank you. The house looks beautiful. There are many people here. Yes, all my friends and family are here. I am very happy today. You deserve it. Happy birthday.
Topic 11. Healthy eating. At the doctor's.
Hello, little girl. How are you today?
I'm okay, thank you.
Good. It is very important to eat healthy food. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like apples and bananas.
Excellent. Apples are very good for you. What other fruit do you like?
I like grapes and oranges too.
Wonderful. Fruit is very healthy. Now, let's talk about vegetables. Do you like vegetables?
I like carrots, but I don't like broccoli.
Carrots are very good. They are good for your eyes. Can you eat carrots?
Yes, I can.
Great. And broccoli is also very good. It makes you strong. Can you try a little broccoli?
Okay, I can try a little.
Good. Try to eat 1 carrot every day. And try a little broccoli sometimes.
Okay, doctor, I will try.
You are a very good girl. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Goodbye.
Topic 12. Daily routine. A typical day.
Hello. What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
7. Okay. What do you do after you get up?
First, I take a shower. Then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread with cheese and drink tea. Sometimes I eat an egg. What about you?
I eat cereal and drink coffee.
Nice. After breakfast, I go to work at 8:30.
Oh, that is early. I start work at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock is good.
What do you do for work?
I am a teacher. And you?
I am a doctor. So, what do you do in the evening?
I come home at 6 o'clock. Then I cook dinner and watch TV. After that, I read a book.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
My day is very similar. I cook dinner and watch TV too.
That's great. Well, have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Topic 13. Food. At a restaurant.
Hello? Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. What would you like to drink? I would like a bottle of water, please.
Okay.
and for food. Can I have the chicken with rice, please?
Of course. And would you like a salad with that?
No, thank you. Just the chicken and rice.
Okay. Thank you. Your food will be ready in 10 minutes.
Topic 14. Books. Reading a story.
Okay, it's time for bed.
Already? Can you read me a story first?
Of course. First, please brush your teeth and put on your pajamas.
Okay, Mom. I am ready for bed.
Good job. Now, which book do you want?
The book about the bear, please.
Okay, here it is. Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a small bear in a big forest.
I like the small bear.
Yes, he is very friendly. Do you like this story?
Yes, I like this story. It is my favorite.
Okay, let's continue. His name was Ben. One day, little bear Ben was hungry. He wanted to find some sweet red berries. He looked and looked. Then he saw a river. He could not cross the river. He was sad. A friendly beaver was in the river. "Hello, little bear. Why are you sad?" asked the beaver.
I am sad because I want the berries, but I cannot cross the river,
said Ben. "I can help you," said the beaver. "You can walk on my dam. It is like a bridge." Little bear Ben walked on the beaver's dam. He crossed the river. He ate the sweet red berries. He was very happy.
"Thank you, friendly beaver,"
said Ben. "You are welcome," said the beaver. Little bear Ben went home. He was tired and happy. He went to sleep. The end. Now, close your eyes. The story is finished.
I like that story. The beaver is nice.
Yes, it is good to help our friends. Good night, my love. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom.
Wow! You listened to 14 long conversations. Excellent job.
You learned about introductions, family, food, routines, and much more.
Perfect. Practice these conversations every day.
Thank you for watching this long video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.